So how can you solve this question? Solve for x. How can you solve this question? So you remember in our previous video, we did something like this. So, and in that particular video, we said it's best for us to have one part of the equation to be irrational, and the other one can be mixed, like we have here, irrational and irrational. So this one is already arranged. So what you need to do is to take the square of both sides. So square both sides, square both sides. So what we'll have will be y plus 5. This is the same thing as this. This is the same thing. Now the square. Same thing goes to the other side. 7 minus y. Now you square. So here we cancel here from the idea from indices. Y plus 7 equals to this first part. So that's 2 times 7 minus sort y. 7 minus sort y. So from here we have 7 multiply all this. So we have 7. Why I'm doing this is for those that are doing this for the first time, so that they can understand. So I use this one to multiply the other one as well. So I don't want to just jump steps. So from here we have, bring this down. 7 times 7, we have 49. 7 times sort y, you have 7 sort y. And to this other side, sort y times 7 is 7 sort y. And minus plus. So y times sort y is what? Y. So what else? What else? So we have, bring down this y plus 7. So collect the rationale. So we have y plus what? Y plus 49. This is the y plus 49. Then minus 7. So y minus 7, so that will be minus 14. That's minus 7 minus 7 is minus 14. So y. So let's collect the rationale to one side of the equation and irrational to one side. So collecting rational, these are rational. This one is irrational. So collecting here will be y minus y plus 7 minus 49. Here minus 14. So y. So after getting here, this is y minus y, that is gone. That's 0, and 7 minus 49, we have minus 42. Then we have minus 14 sort y. So divide both sides by minus 14. Here, coming here, we have 3. Cancels 1. Here, cancel 1, cancel 1. So we now have 3 equals to sort y. So square both sides. Square both sides. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 2. While here we have y raised to the power 1 over 2 times what? 2. 2 cancel here. Therefore, y is equals to 9. Sorry. 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. So let's check. Let's check. If here is 9, that means 9 plus square root of 9 plus 7. And then this is going to be square root of 16, which is equal to 4. So this side of the equation is 4. Then here is 7 minus, if this place is 9, that would be 7 minus square root of 9 is 3, which is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 9, and that satisfies this very equation. So thank you very much for watching, and try to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Share to your friends and family to also join us in this very tutorial, and as well drop a message or a comment if you have any question. Drop a comment, and as well anything, any question that you need to understand more. So thank you very much for joining Math Stands today. We hope to see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.